This is the Seatronics pencil type tabletop tensile tester, specially designed for rubber tubes, catheters and thin wires of metal like copper and steel. This is a PC based instrument which is completely controlled by the software provided by us. Now before starting the test, the operator has to key in the parameters like the test ID, sample length and other parameters like notes or whatever you want to add. And in parallel, the sample has to be attached to the jaws in the main unit. Now to start the experiment, the operator presses the start button. Now as you see, the sample is being stressed and it is stressed at CRE. In parallel, in the software you see a real-time graph of the force versus elongation. Now we wait till the sample ruptures to see the automatic stopping of the stressing of the sample once the sample ruptures. And till that time, the graph keeps accumulating in the PC. Now this being rubber had a long extension, and as you see now, the rubber got ruptured and the sample stopped stressing. Now to save the results, the operator needs to press the save button. Now as you see, the moment the save button is pressed, the system automatically brings down the jaw to the correct position. This is a special feature enabling you to save time, because once you complete an experiment, the jaws return back to the position of the sample length where you can just attach the next sample and start testing. Let us for a moment concentrate on the graph here. This is one sample stressed, and as you see in the table here, it gives you the force F max, the elongation at break and the elongation at max force. This result is captured for each and every run. Now the beauty of this machine, it comes with extensive reporting capabilities. Now this was the sample we stressed, and as you see, you have a graph and you have the vital parameters like F max, elongation, as I explained. Now this report can be extracted in an Excel sheet, which we show you right now. This, as you see, is a report for a single run. So as you see here, it has the F force, the elongation and the Young's modulus for this particular run and the graph. Now this feature is also there to do the tests for a sample, for a group of samples. So for example, you could do tests for 3 or 4 samples, and we have the reporting capability of giving you the output in which is an average of all the runs, which we will show you next. Now this we show you a report of a group of samples. So as you see, we have taken example of say 2 runs. You could take it for 10 runs, and for each of the parameters, right from your Young's modulus to the stress to the strain and all these parameters, you get the average of all the runs, and also the individual of all the runs is shown you in one Excel sheet. Again, these are all output based in Excel, and of course we could customize it as per your need.